Hello, I welcome all of you in my channel. Today I'm making this video on result making. As you know that entering the result is very hectic one by one. So I came with a shortcut. Okay. So what's the shortcut? Let's suppose this is the name of the student. He got 84 marks. What will be the grade? I have made the grade sheet like 20. If student who got 20 or less than 20, he got F grade. From 20 to 40, he got D. 40 to 60, he got C. 60 to 70, B. Like this. 90 from 1990 above, he got A plus grade. You have to use only a single command, and you will get the grades of hundreds and thousands of the student less than 20 seconds. How? It is VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means that value. So marks is my lookup value. Then table array. Select the table in which you have entered the criteria of the grades, but make sure that you haven't selected its labels or heading. That's you will not select marks and grade. Okay. Keep in your mind, this is most important thing. Then the most important thing is when you will enter this table array or this grade sheet. Okay, you will have to press the dollar sign, insert the dollar sign. How you will insert a dollar sign? You will have to press F4 key. Okay, so when you press the F4 key, the dollar sign will come along with both this alphabet and this numeric, and then move the cursor one forward and then again press the dollar sign. So dollar come with both of them. Then the command says select the column index number. In which column I have the grade? I have the grades in the second column. Press 2. Then which need lookup we need? So approximate, we need an approximate lookup. I will press 1. Then press enter. You got the A grade. Select the cell in which the grade has been appeared. Click on the lowest right corner and double click on it. You got the result of all the students. Maybe they are hundreds and thousands or whatever. This procedure has been completed in less than 30 seconds. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, do comments. I can help you in making the results. My cell number, WhatsApp number and my email has been provided. You can do me a text. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Bye bye. God bless you.